What's going on? Too much excitement. I know. Look what I got here. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, you already know. You already know what's going on in here. I already pre-opened all this just because I'm using my phone, and with one hand I cannot pre-open all this. So I already pre-opened all this, but this is exactly how I came here. Now you're gonna excuse me, I have to sneeze. Okay. No coronavirus. Shoo. Far away from here. Alright, let me show you. This is what it came with. We got a lot of stickers. Look at what we got here. We got an emblem to put on the car. I'm not putting that on the car, sorry. But we got a bunch of stickers. Good stuff. Bunch of stickers. I think they charged me for all this on the price, I guess, for all the stickers. So might as well just bring them in. What's this? Another sticker. What's this? Thank you so much for your purchasing. Okay. Instructions. Look like instructions. Some kind of instruction. How to put the things together. What's this? Install, download, manual. We got a tag. I'm not using this either. I'm not using this. If anybody want it, leave a comment below. I mailed it to you. Alright? Not for free. Nice try. But I mailed it to you if you want it. Oh no, you can get the Tomei. This is what we got here. My God, I'm so excited. I was waiting for this for so long, man. I've been wanting this exhaust for so long. And finally, just like everybody say, super lightweight. Super lightweight. Look at this. Look at this welding. I mean, that's like, what, perfect, I would say. And we're gonna say perfect. Oh my God, it's so lightweight. It doesn't weigh anything. I'm telling you, like this is like nothing. Oh my God, like nothing. So here's one part. On the side. And we got this other part right here. This one weighs a little bit more than this part here. But it's because it got the resonator, but still. I already pre-opened all this. It comes with like tape and stuff. I'm showing you right now. Man, this thing looks amazing. I mean, it looks amazing. All the welding, everything in it look amazing. Tomei, my man, my peep. Finally, I'm planning on install this baby hopefully tomorrow. Now this is the main event of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. Right here in this box right here is the main event of the evening. Let me get this out. Boom! What? Main event of the evening. This thing is huge. Oh my God. This is huge. When I'm saying huge, this thing is huge. I mean, I have a big hand, but wow. This thing is huge. What? That's crazy. I can put my hand in it. Tomei. Yes, this is the baby right here. This is the baby right here. Man, this thing looks ridiculous big. Oh my god. I can't wait. I can't wait. So yeah, everything else that came in the box, it will be this. Will be the hanger. Should go around the exhaust tip and then go on the hangers, which I have right here too. I bought new hangers, the Perrin hangers, to put on this baby. Right in there. I don't know, this thing look really big. It might don't even fit. Look at that. Look at that little tiny hole on that big ass thing. It probably don't even fit. I might put it here. I don't know. I figured it out. That thing is huge. That probably don't even fit in here. But I figured something out. So then we got the silencer. We got this baby here. Oh. Wait. So this, yeah. Got this baby here. We should go in here. In case you think it's too loud, you can put that in there. Now it's such a big difference because you see, you put this in here if you think it's too loud, bang, whatever. But it's such a big difference because you got this huge hole here, and then to cover it up, they put this so tiny. They could have do at least like, you know, a little bigger and it was still more quiet. You see, like something like this, you see, like this big instead of this tiny thing right here. Anyway, that's Tomei. I don't want to use this, but if I have to, I have it. And then we have this. All the gaskets, the springs, all the screws, everything you need. And then we have the clamps and the rubber that is gonna go here on this thing around here. It's gonna go the rubber, so when you put it here, you don't scratch the tip. I think I dropped a screw on the floor. I heard it. I know I did. Anyway, so yeah, I know I did drop a screw on the floor. I swear I heard it. I could swear I heard it. Anyway, well, that's everything. That's everything in the box. That's everything right here. Boom, boom. So, if you're thinking about getting the Tomei, this is what you expect. This is what you're gonna expect. All this stuff right here. I'm missing one nut. I'm missing a nut. I think that's the one that fall on the floor. I wanna try to see if I can just put these things together here. Can I? Oh shit. I'm gonna break this thing. I wanna see if I can put this together in here real quick. Like somehow. Try to put it together. Oh man, this is gonna be super. Maybe go like this. Might go like this. Might go like that. No, definitely not going like that. Oh yeah, because this is gonna be like this. Is it like this? Yeah, I think that's how it goes, right? Like that. And then over here at the end, go this, right? Oh, that's not good. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. Boom. That's it. That's the socks right there. Boom. So I watched a couple of videos and it looked like a pretty simple install. So if you want to do it yourself, go for it. I'm gonna do it myself. I probably don't do a video installing it because there's a bunch of them out there, but I'm definitely gonna do some sound clips after this. I got the Cobb resonated Jpipe on my car right now. So I don't know. Some people have the non-resonated ones and you can hear the turbos pulling like really nice. I don't know how it's gonna sound because this one got a resonator and I already have a resonator on my Jpipe. So I have the Cat with the resonator. So let's see how it goes. Anyway, to the next one, hit the like button, subscribe, support the channel. God bless you. Stay safe. You know,